The Shellhoop Group was set up over 50 years ago with the mission to build a bridge between the cultures of the East and West and to promote luxury lifestyle in the Middle East region. With its core business areas of beauty, fashion and gifts, the Shellhoop Group has made an impressive mark as the ambassador of luxury lifestyle in the Middle East, with over 350 retail outlets and a growing workforce of over 6,000 employees. The group has been incredibly successful and has acquired a unique competitive advantage and leveraged its presence in the region because of its deep understanding of its culture. Thanks to the internal expertise and capabilities built over time, it is now an undisputed leader in the field of luxury goods in the Middle East. The group has now reached a size and maturity level that can be leveraged to move one step further towards business excellence. The group now needs to adopt a new operating platform of business processes and information tools that will be the backbone of its future growth. To turn this vision into reality, the group, under the sponsorship of Anthony Shellhoop, has embarked on an ambitious business transformation project called CORE. CORE will be leveraging internal operational expertise and the know-how of support services which have contributed to the success of the Shellhoop Group.
We've decided to review all our processes, to take the best practices existing in each one of the fields we work and unify everything under one platform. We've called the project CORE because it will be the core of our backbone structure for the future.
CORE will enable us to streamline our supply chain, align our processes to the best practice, and will equip the group with new capabilities and tools such as integrated planning and smart reporting to better pilot our activities. On the other hand, the present familiar tools have successfully supported our business but are now being stretched by our current requirements.
We issue a voucher, around 150 vouchers, okay? And 150 vouchers we have to enter manually, which sometimes customers, they are in a hurry and they cannot wait.
Since we have the two POS, so if one will post the sales, the other one will stop. So if we have two customers at the same time, then we have to wait.
If we just want to go inside to check for some item for our customer, I think we will lose a little bit of time here. And it's not good for ourselves to just have lose some of our customers.
I mean, if a customer comes to one store and we don't have the product required by the customer in this store, then we cannot know immediately if the same product is in the other store or not, because we don't have the real-time integration of transaction.
To address these issues, CORE will implement a single Shellhoop ERP system. This unified system will be rolled out across our companies and will support all our activities, regional and local distribution and retail, in all our domains of beauty, fashion and gifts.
The future, I see it's bright with CORE, as the main point would be one centralized systems for all the divisions, all the departments and for all the countries.
The benefits will be streamlined processes, improved performance in terms of knowing the performance of your categories, your brands, your shops, your suppliers, your customers, a single version of the truth.
I want to see a proper forecast of the product for the next 12 months and also effective follow-up for the A&P.
CORE will standardize, integrate and improve daily operational efficiency and productivity. The CORE project will mean extensive changes in the way we work and the tools we use. But as CORE is a 3 to 4 year project, it won't happen overnight, and this change will be proactively managed. You will be extensively trained on the new tools and processes. After capturing the business requirements, leveraging internal expertise and embedding external best practices, the CORE team will design, build and test the new operating platform before launching in the UAE, in Allied and Real Emirates. It will then be rolled out quickly to the rest of the group.
We have set up a team that includes people coming from the operations who will be able to relay that change to their colleagues, speaking in their own language, and to help us making this as smooth as possible.
Experts from all the countries and functional areas are and will be providing their inputs via different forums to ensure that the system fits the group specifics.
Core is about designing and providing the right tools to the people, so that basically we can enforce with them the business transformation that are required, so that the group can evolve to keep its competitive advantage and stay the leader that it is in its industry and in its current market.
Continuous improvement, continuous learning, continuous training will be key to ensure that the tools and the processes that we have built will be used properly.
Business intelligence is going to provide the business a way to use the data that they have very efficiently, very intuitively, to make key business decisions in every step of the way.
I expect that the core project will help us. The intervention of manual work will not be there anymore, and it will be done automatically by the new system.
I mean, it's a fantastic challenge, the core projects, precisely because we have to integrate the internal best practice which are existing and also adopt the external best practice.
For Shellhoop Group, core is more than luxury. It's the time to rethink our processes, but at the same time we should have the right tool to capture these processes for better monitoring of our operating platform.
They are working on a sync where supplier distributors, at least within the Shellhoop Group, can work together. So they have a data available at every time they want to. Yes, and it's going to be brilliant.
The core project is more just than a system for us. It is a tool that we really that we were looking for since some time now.
To sum up, Core will give us a streamlined supply chain, process efficiency, efficient planning, add value reporting, better reporting, as well as the clear visibility of data throughout the value chain. But it's not just the group that will benefit, but our customers as well.
The fast growth of our business is becoming bigger and more complicated. It's becoming also segregated in many business units, and there is a definite need to integrate all this information together. And the second need is coming from the sophistication of the market, of our suppliers and our consumers. Without advanced systems like the core project, we cannot have the competitive advantage that will lead us in the 10 coming years in the future.
The contribution of all Shellhoop Group employees is critical for the success of the project, specifically the IT function in Shellhoop, which will play a vital role in the project. The core team would like to thank all of them in advance for their cooperation.